Hi there, Gigi here, and today I'm here to review this reversible mat that I purchased for my patio deck a few months ago. It has definitely enhanced my patio deck space. First of all, the design is timeless and really adds a bit of elegant touch to my patio. It goes perfectly with my outdoor furniture and accessories. The mat is very durable. According to the company, the edges are heat treated, so no worries about fraying, and I haven't seen any of this so far. Plus, the material is breathable, so it won't scratch or harm my deck. I haven't had to clean my mat yet other than just sweep leaves off of it, and that was a breeze. I live in South Florida, which is prone to hurricanes, so when I need to store it, I can simply fold it up and put it away. These mats are UV coated, which means they're protected against fading and sun damage. So just keep in mind that the colors may look a bit different than what you might see in my video due to the lighting. I purchased the 5x8, but it also comes in 9x18. Overall, I'm really impressed with this reversible mat. It combines style, durability, and easy maintenance, making it a must-have for any outdoor space. So look no further. I highly recommend this mat. I hope you found this review helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up. Until next time.